Okay, so go to page number 155. Page number 155. Sorry, 8.1. Okay. Yeah. So exercise, it's miscellaneous exercise. Let's go to question number 4. Let's go to question number 4. The PMF. PMF means probability mass function. It is also called as probability density function, one and the same thing. So they have given something like this. P of x is equal to small x. P of x equal to small x. Okay. And 5x, some bracket like this, and 1 upon 2 raised to 5. Now this is called as 5cx. It's combination. It's combination into 1 upon 32. Okay. 2 raised to 5 is 32. So this probability formula they have given. And this is only true when x is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If you refer the question, it is only true when it is x is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And the probability will be 0 otherwise. Okay. So we'll first find out the probability distribution. Okay. When x is equal to 0, so P of x equal to 0. Put 0 in this. 5c0, 1 upon 32. 5 factorial. 5 minus 0 factorial upon 0 factorial, 1 upon 32. We have this NCR formula. N factorial. N minus r factorial into r factorial. 1 factorial is 1, 0 factorial is 1. You all know this. So that formula I have used. So this will be 5 factorial upon 5 factorial. 0 factorial is 1 into 1 upon 32. So the answer is 1 upon 32. Okay. Right. Please copy this. Then we'll start with x is equal to 1. You have to put which values. X is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's given in the question. For that, you need to read the question clearly. Yesterday I did this. Number greater than 4. Okay. Now when x is equal to 1, you can parallelly copy. P of x is equal to 1. So put x is equal to 1 here and here. 5c1, 1 upon 32. 5c1 is 5 factorial. 5 minus 1 factorial into 1 factorial. NCR formula. NCR formula. Okay. Into 1 upon 32. 5 factorial. 4 factorial into 1. 1 upon 32. 5 factorial can be written as 5 into 4 factorial upon 4 factorial 1 upon 32. So this is 5 upon 32. Okay. This is how we have to calculate. 5 factorial can be written as 5 into 4 factorial. And this got cancelled. third when x is equal to 2. Okay. So P of x is equal to 2 equal to phi C2 1 upon 32 5 factorial 5 minus 2 factorial into 2 factorial into 1 upon 32 5 factorial upon 3 factorial into 2 factorial 1 upon 32 5 into 4 into 3 factorial 3 factorial into 2 1 upon 32. So this is equal to 10 upon 32. This is equal to 10 upon 32. Okay. When x is equal to 3, P of x is equal to 3. I'll just give you the answer directly. When x is equal to 4, P of x is equal to 4 is again 5 by 32. This is by calculation. Huh? Calculation, I've taught you how to calculate this. And when x is equal to 5, you have to go up to 5. Okay. So P of x is equal to 5. Okay. Is equal to 1 upon 32. So this is by calculation. I have just directly given you the answers. Yeah, that's fine. 4, 5, and 6. Right now? Correct. So these three values you need to calculate on your own. Okay. Abhi ke liye you can just write down the values which I have given you. Now we'll make the probability distribution. X 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. P of x 1 by 32. This is also 1 by 32. This is 10 by 32 by calculation. This is also 10 by 32 by calculation. And this is 5 by 32 and this is also 5 by 32. Okay. So this is the probability distribution. Now we need to prove something over here. Left hand side. P of x less than or equal to 2. Less than or equal to 2 means all these probabilities. 0, 1 and 2. Will 2 be inclusive? Yes. Because it is equal to also, right? So 1 by 32 plus 10 by 32 plus 5 by 32, which is equal to 16 by 32, which is half. Okay. And right hand side, P of x less than, sorry, P of x greater than or equal to 3. So it will start with 3, 3, 4, and 5. 3, 4, and 5. So what is 3? This 3. Greater than or equal to 3. So it is 5 by 32 plus 10 by 32 plus 1 by 32. 16 by 32, which is equal to half. Okay. Please copy this. So LHS is equal to RHS. Yeah. Question number 6 from page number 155, just right over there. Same as 8.1 question number 4. 4 tosses are made. 8 times T, 8 times H, so on and so forth. Question number 10. 1, 2 and 4 self study. No need to do the third one because every year I teach it, it never comes in the exam. Question number 10. This is on page number 155. 1, 2, and 4 is for self study. We'll go to question number 11. A player tosses 2 coins. Now, this is a bit different. It is very important for 3 marks. Okay. A player tosses 2 coins. So the sample space will be TTHH, TH, TH. This we saw yesterday. A player is tossing 2 coins, first coin and second coin. Okay. He wins rupees 10 if two heads appear, rupees 5 if one head appears, and rupees 2 if no head appears. So first we'll find out the probability distribution and we'll write it vertically because they are asking mean and variance. So the winning is based on appearance of heads. X is number of heads in two tosses. So it's clearly mentioned in the problem. The winning is based on appearance of heads. So 0 times we can get head, 1 time or 2 times we can get head. So 0 times we can get it is one event, 1 out of 4. 1 time head, 2 out of 4, and 2 times head, 1 out of 4. This event. Okay. So this is the probability distribution. Okay. Now I'll write monetary value attached with it. So if 0 heads are appearing, okay, he'll get 0 rupees. If one head is appearing, he'll get 5 rupees. And if two heads are appearing, he'll get 10 rupees. Now they're asking expected value of the rupees 2. Oh, sorry. Yeah, correct. That's mistake from my side. So when 0 heads are appearing, he will get 2 rupees. Okay. Yeah. So this M is the monetary value. They're asking expected value of the winning amount. Expected value is nothing but the mean. But then of the winning amount they're asking. So this time the formula won't be XPX. This won't be the formula because they are asking expected value of the winning amount. So it will be MPX. Understood? So first column that we are going to make is MPX 2 by 4, 10 by 4, 10 by 4. So the total over here is 10 plus 10, 20, 22 by 4, 11 by 2. Correct? So this is the expected value of the winning amount, and it's an amount, no? So we have to divide it. Otherwise, we could have left it as it is. So this is the expected value of the winning amount. So average, on an average, he is going to earn 5.5 rupees in this game. On an average. Now variance. Variance of X summation M square PX. Don't write X square PX. Write M square PX. So M square PX. So M into MPX. This two column ka multiplication. M square PX. So this is going to be 4 by 4, 50 by 4, 100 by 4, 154 by 4, which is equal to 77 by 2. Correct? So this is equal to 77 by 2 minus 11 by 2 the whole square because mu is 11 by 2. So 77 by 2 minus 121 by 4, multiply and divide by 2, multiply and divide by 2. 154 minus 121 by 4. Correct? So this is equal to how much? 33 by 4. And we have to divide this because this is the variance of the winning amount. The winning amount cannot be in fraction. So what is the winning amount? 8.25. Rupees 8.25. Anybody, if you are having any doubt, you may please ask. ऑनलाइन कोड वगैरह देखना ऑनलाइन कोड देखना. Okay. Please copy. I'll just wait for you. Which उसका image which snapshot which वो तो दिखा ही था मैं देख लेता हूँ कोई बात exit mode. Okay, so I hope everybody has understood this particular question. Let's go to question number 12 on page number 156. We have done question number 11 from page number 156. Now question number 12, page 156, question number 12. Okay. Now again, the PMF is probability mass function. It is also called as PDF, density distribution function. Okay. So P of X equal to X, or P of X rather, they have given us this formula. And this is true only when X is equal to minus 1, 0, 1, and 2. So when X is equal to minus 1, P of X is equal to minus 1. Please calculate 3 minus minus 1 upon 10, 4 upon 10. Don't reduce this. Do not reduce this, please. When X is equal to 0, P of X equal to 0, put X equal to 0 over here. X is equal to 1. P of X is equal to 1. 3 minus 1 upon 10, 2 by 10. When X is equal to 2, P of X is equal to 2, 1 by 10, correct? So we'll write down the data vertically because we are supposed to calculate mean and variance. So minus 1, 0, 1, and 2. Leave one line, it will be always better. 4 by 10, 3 by 10, 2 by 10, and 1 by 10. So we'll just write down the hint, we'll not solve this. Mean, which is also called as expected value. The formula is x into p of x. There is no m and all in this particular problem. This we did yesterday also. Mean, variance, summation, x square p of x minus mu square. Okay. So just copy down the hint. Don't solve this further. Okay, so I've waited long enough for this. Yeah. Now, see, this discussion is very important for numericals, one mark objectives. This particular discussion is very important. Okay. Uh, let's say x is equal to 1, 2, 3, and 4. Some random example I'm giving you. P of x 0.1, 0.2, 0.5, and 0.2. This is the probability distribution given to you. CDF, cumulative distribution function or cumulative density function. Capital F of x. This we had done in a class before. This will remain same. This plus this 0.3. This plus this 0.8. This plus this, it has to be 1. So this calculation you already know from PDF to CDF. Okay. And from CDF to PDF, 1, 2, 3, 4. Suppose CDF is given and you require PDF, P of x. That also I have taught you. Let's take some other example 0.2, 0.1, 0.6, and 0.1. So first value will always remain like this. Okay. Mhm. No, this cannot be the case because one second, I'll just reframe this. 0.5, 0.8, and this is 1. Okay. So first value remains as it is. Now this minus this is 0.3. This minus this is 0.3, and this minus this is 0.2. So from PDF to CDF and CDF to PDF, these things we have already done. I was just revising this. Okay. Now let us take the first example, PDF to CDF. Okay, PDF to CDF. Okay, now this is important for numericals. Capital F of 1, 0.1. Capital F of 2, 0.3. Okay. Capital F of 3, 0.8. Capital F of 4, 1. Now, if they're asking capital F of 5, capital F of 6, 4 के आगे कुछ भी पूछ रहे, it will be 1. Very important. और 0 के पहले कुछ भी पूछ रहे, 1 के पहले. So F of 0, it is going to be 0. So final answer के बाद में सब कुछ 1 ही रहता है. And first answer के पहले सब कुछ 0. So this can be asked for numerical. So specifically, I am just guiding you on this. ये तो fixed है. इसके बाद में का values will be 1, इसके पहले का values will be 0. I hope you all understood this. Okay. Yeah. So let us go to objectives. Some objectives. Today we are completing discrete. I won't start with binomial and Poisson. Okay. And the third exercise, second exercise is on integration. That will be done last, not now. Okay. But yes, before 14th of December, we have to give a proper closure to this chapter. Okay. So go to page number 153. Page number 153. Question number 1. Okay. अभी तुम लोग रीड करो. X is equal to first MCQ. First MCQ. X is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay. And 4. They're asking F of 5. तो F of 5 तो 1 रहेगा. 4 के बाद में जो भी है उसका CDF will be 1. Did you understand this? Okay. लॉजिकल. सॉल्व विल कुछ करने का जरूरत नहीं है. वो दिखने के लिए इतना सब कुछ डेटा दिखता है वो. यूजलेस. क्वेश्चन नंबर 2. What is X? -2, -1, 0, 1, and 2. दे आर आस्किंग एफ ऑफ -3, -3 कहाँ पे है, -2 के पहले है, तो इसका आंसर रहेगा 0। सी इफ यू हैव अंडरस्टूड दिस एग्जांपल तो ये सब इजी लगेगा तुम लोग को, राइट? क्लियर? ओके, क्वेश्चन नंबर 3। क्वेश्चन नंबर 3, x is the number on the uppermost face when a fair die is thrown, e of x, मीन बोल रहे हो लोग। सो डाइस इट इज 1 2 3 4 5 6, p of x 1/6 1/6 1/6 1/6 1/6, करेक्ट ना? सो म्यू expected value, mean xp of x, this we solved yesterday also, 1/6 2/6 3/6 4/6 5/6 and 6/6। तो ये सबका टोटल कितना होता है? 21/6 7/2 और 3.5। क्लियर? Copy this. Those who want, you can copy this. Yeah. Fourth one, x is given and p of x is given. They are asking variance. X is 0, 1 and 2. Q square 2pq p square. So mean mu summation of x into p of x. So 0 2pq 2p square. तो इसका total is 2p square plus 2pq. Clear? Variance summation x square p of x minus mu square. So x square p of x, we did this yesterday, x square p of x. X into x p of x is x square p of x. So 0 2pq 4p square. So this is going to be 4p square plus 2pq. 4p square plus 2pq minus mean square 2p square plus 2pq the whole square. 4p square 2pq minus 4p square plus 4p square q square. Correct na guys? Plus 8p cube q. Yes or no? Okay, so 4p square is gone. Okay, so we are left with 2pq plus 4p square q square 8p cube q. Acha, now listen, I'll just erase this. Sorry if you have copied. They should have mentioned one thing over there. P plus q is equal to 1 वो mention करना चाहिए था. अगर नहीं mention किया, you should remember that. P plus q is equal to 1. Okay, I'll just incorporate that detail over here. P plus q is equal to 1. Therefore q is equal to 1 minus p. ये mention करना चाहिए था problem में. They have not mentioned. Okay, so I'll take 2p common. So this will be p plus q. Right now, guys? Okay, I'm taking 2p q, 2p common over here, p plus q. And what is p plus q? 1. So this is equal to 2p. उसके बिना problem नहीं solve होगा फिर. If you don't consider this condition, p plus q is equal to 1. If it is not given, you people consider it. P plus q equal to 1. Because p is success, q is failure. दोनों का टोटल प्रोबेबिलिटी वन रहेगा, 100%, या तो सक्सेस होगा या तो फेलियर होगा। तो दोनों में से एक चीज होने का प्रोबेबिलिटी क्या है? 100%। वेरियंस समेशन एक्स स्क्वायर पी ऑफ एक्स माइनस म्यू स्क्वायर। नाउ एक्स स्क्वायर पी ऑफ एक्स इज दिस 4p² प्लस 2p³ माइनस 2p दी होल स्क्वायर। अभी यहाँ पे क्या कॉमन है? 2p। करेक्ट ना? नहीं? Okay. Otherwise, just leave it as it is. What you can do is 4p square, 2pq minus 4p square. This and this is gone. This is the final answer. 2pq. So this detail is not mentioned. You should know this. P plus q is equal to 1. P is equal to 1 minus q, or q is equal to 1 minus p. Okay. I hope this is copied. Correct. Now go to question number 5. वहां पे लिखो exercise 8.1, which we did yesterday. So I'm not going to do this, and it's not a MCQ kind of a question. It's question 14. Okay. It's a very big question actually. In question number 14, they were asking variance. Here they are asking only the mean. So you can refer that and get the mean over there. Fine. Go to page number 154, everyone. Page number 154. Question number 1 from the fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. The values of a discrete random variable are generally obtained by counting. Counting, na? We did this in the first session of probability distribution. The value of the continuous random variable is generally obtained by, can you tell me? Measuring. Measuring. Okay. Third one. X is a discrete random variable that takes values x1, x2, x3. X is the event. And sum of all probabilities is equal to what? What is the answer? 1. It's 1. Okay. Fourth one. ये तो हम लोग ने किया है ना, sum of all probabilities is equal to 1. Fourth one, f of 4. चलो बोलो f of 4 क्या रहेगा? x का वैल्यू कहाँ तक है? 1, 2 एंड 3 तक ही है. f of 4 क्या रहेगा? 1. 3 के आगे 3 तो 1 ही रहेगा. 3 के आगे सब कुछ 1. That example which I taught you. If they are asking f of 0, 0. 1 के पहले जो कुछ भी रहेगा that will be 0. 3 onwards everything will be 1. Fine? Yeah. Question number 5. क्वेश्चन नंबर 5. तो ये दिखने के लिए बड़ा बड़ा प्रॉब्लम्स लगता है, लेकिन ये कुछ नहीं है, लॉजिक के ऊपर बेस्ड है. एफ ऑफ -1 क्या रहेगा? 0. एफ ऑफ -1 इज 0 बिकॉज एक्स इज व्हाट? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. ओके. तो 0 के पहले अगर कोई भी वैल्यू एक्स का रहता है तो उसका सीडीएफ विल बी 0. राइट. सी गाइस, इफ यू हैव अंडरस्टूड दिस एग्जांपल, ये वाला एग्जांपल अगर तुम लोग को समझ में आया है तो फिर यू नो थिंग्स विल बी प्रीटी क्लियर. ओके. देन सिक्स्थ वन, e of x. Okay. E of x is considered to be mean or expected value. तो एग्जाम में तुम लोग क्या लिखोगे? मीन लिखोगे, एक्सपेक्टेड वैल्यू, और पीछे आंसर में ना सेंटर ऑफ ग्रेविटी ऐसा कुछ तो दिया है, देखो जरा. सेंटर ऑफ ग्रेविटी. सिक्स्थ फिल इन द ब्लैंक. सेंटर ऑफ ग्रेविटी. तो वो भी लिखो, ये तीनों लिखो, सेंटर ऑफ ग्रेविटी. ओके. ये आंसर देख के कॉमर्स के स्टूडेंट्स का ग्रेविटी हिल जाएगा. सो फॉरगेट अबाउट इट, यू जस्ट बाय हार्ट दिस. मीन, एक्सपेक्टेड वैल्यू, सेंटर ऑफ ग्रेविटी. ओके. Yeah, true or false? Question number 1. Same, page number 154. True or false? Question number 1. P of x equal to x. I'll not just copy this. Okay. F of phi, उन लोगों ने क्या बोला है? 1/4. Is this correct? False. F of phi क्या रहना चाहिए? 1. Correct ना? So this is false. Second one. F of -3. X is equal to -1, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, right? तो x equal to -3 के लिए CDF क्या रहेगा? 0. Which is true. Correct ना? थर्ड वन, सेल्फ स्टडी. वो हम लोग ने जस्ट कैलकुलेट किया थोड़े टाइम पे थे एक एमसीक्यू में. 7/2 ही आया था ना अपने को. 3.5. आई शो यू, सी. ये देखो, थर्ड एमसीक्यू. उधर लिखो एमसीक्यू नंबर 3. एमसीक्यू 3. ओके. फोर्थ वन, वहां पे लिखो एमसीक्यू नंबर कौन सा? 4. एमसीक्यू 4. दिस इज ऑल्सो डन. दिस इज ऑल्सो डन. ओके. करेक्ट. या. Okay, one last problem is left that I will be completing right now. And binomial and Poisson distribution problems will be very simple. Huh? Believe me. One session on binomial, one session on Poisson, and one session on CDF. So not CDF, sorry, continuous probability distribution. Usme integration. That will be the last class on what is this chapter? Probability. Okay. So let us take exercise page number 155, question number 7. Page 155, question number 7. Okay. Yeah, it's a very complicated problem in a way. So be very focused. Find the probability of the number of successes in two tosses of a die. So n is equal to two tosses. Okay. First part में success क्या है? Number greater than 4. Now understanding wise ये थोड़ा सा complicated है ये problem. Okay. So P, number greater than 4. What are the events? 5 and 6. So what is success? P is the probability of success. 2 by 6. 1 by 3. How many numbers in a single toss are greater than 4? 2. Out of how many events? 6. It's a dice, right? So 2 out of 6, 1 by 3. Guys, you can speak up if you're not able to understand. Q is probability of failure. You can also do 1 minus P or 4 upon 6. Correct, no? Why 4 by 6? 5 और 6 अगर सक्सेस में है, फेलियर में कौन रहेगा? 1 2 3 4, 4 इवेंट्स out of 6 events. Otherwise, you can also do 1 minus P. Please speak up. Those who are attending online, please speak up if you're not able to understand this. क्योंकि this creates a base for this problem.
So why don't we take probability for two tosses instead of three toss twice?
तो दो टॉस में नंबर ग्रेटर देन 4 को डिफाइन कैसा करेगा? तो दो बार डाई फेंक रहा है, नंबर ग्रेटर देन 4 दोनों में फेंकना पड़ेगा तेरे को. इंडिविजुअली पहला करते हैं. बाइनोमियल में भी ऐसा ही है. ये एक्चुअली प्रॉब्लम बाइनोमियल का है. ओके. या नाउ सी केस 1, x is equal to 0. That means out of two tosses, 0 times success we will get. Will not get success any amount of time. So P of x will be what? What is the probability of this? First toss में failure मिला and second toss में भी failure मिला. कल ऐसा एक प्रॉब्लम किया था मालूम है? Q square. So that is equal to 2 by 3 the whole square, 4 by 9. Case 2, x equal to 1 time success. So P of x, PQ और QP. मतलब पहला सक्सेस मिला, मतलब नंबर ग्रेटर देन 4 आया. सेकेंड टाइम सक्सेस नहीं मिला, और इज एडिशन, फर्स्ट टाइम सक्सेस नहीं मिला. वी गॉट अ नंबर विच इज नॉट ग्रेटर देन 4 एंड सेकेंड टाइम वी गॉट अ सक्सेस, क्योंकि एक बार तो सक्सेस चाहिए ना. दिस इज दैट केस. सो दिस इज इक्वल टू 2PQ. सो व्हाट इज P? 1 by 3 and 2 by 3, 4 by 9. Clear? And case 3, x is equal to 2 times success. Both the times we are succeeding. So पहले थ्रो में भी सक्सेस मिला एंड सेकेंड थ्रो में भी सक्सेस मिला. 1 and 2 are the terms. First time, second time. Only 2 times are there. Why? There are only 2 terms. P square. P कितना है? 1 by 3. तो उसका स्क्वायर 1 by 9 हो गया. So x is equal to 0 1 2. P of x is equal to 4 by 9 4 by 9 1 by 9. Did you understand this? Okay. So this clears exercise 8.1 का question number 5 also. We are yet to solve the second part of this problem. Okay. Start copying. चलो. डाउट रहेगा तो प्लीज पूछो. ये प्रॉब्लम थोड़ा सा कॉम्प्लिकेटेड है. डोंट सिट क्वाइट. Yeah. Okay. Second part of the problem. 6 appears in at least one toss. Second part. Now n is equal to two tosses. That is common for the entire problem. P is what? Probability of getting a 6 in one toss. Okay. So PK 1 upon 6. Right? 6 means only one event out of 6 total events. Right? What is Q? Not getting a 6. 5 by 6. How? 1 2 3 4 5 या फिर 1 माइनस पी. नहीं समझा. मैं पी सक्सेस और फेलियर डिफाइन कर रहा हूँ. सक्सेस इज व्हाट? प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ गेटिंग अ 6 इन वन टॉस. एक ही टॉस का बात कर रहा हूँ मैं. एक टॉस में 6 आने का चांस क्या है? 1 by 6. ओके. एंड क्यू इज 5 by 6. So x is what? Number of sixes. X is number of sixes. So x can take up what values? 0, 1 and 2. Why not any other value? Why not any other value? Because there are only two tosses. Actually, that question is incorrect. Find the probability of occurrence of 6. It should be the case. At least once नहीं बोलना चाहिए उन लोगों ने. At least one binomial में आता है. यहाँ पे नहीं आएगा वो. But then we'll take it like this only. So x is equal to 0 times we get a 6. 0 times we get a 6. Okay. So toss 1 and toss 2. Failure and failure. Correct na? 5 by 6 into 5 by 6. 5 by 6 the whole square. Clear? One time we get a 6. How many cases will be there in this? One time we get a 6. सब cases कितना रहेगा इसमें? दो. First time सक्सेस, 6 आया फर्स्ट टॉस में। सेकंड फेलियर, एक ही बार 6 चाहिए। और फर्स्ट टाइम फेलियर एंड सेकंड टाइम सक्सेस। पहले टाइम पे 6 नहीं आया, सेकंड टाइम पे 6 आया। तो दिस आर द सब केसेस फॉर वन टाइम 6। ओके, 2 p cube, p कितना है? 1/6 एंड दिस इज 5/6, 10/36। एंड लास्ट वन, 2 times we get a 6। इसमें सब केसेस रहेगा कि नहीं रहेगा? नहीं रहेगा। फर्स्ट टाइम सक्सेस मिला, 6 आया। सेकेंड टाइम भी सक्सेस मिला, तो दोनों बार 6 आया। 2 times we got a 6। साइमल्टेनियसली भी ले सकते हैं, वन आफ्टर द अदर भी ले सकते हैं। हाँ, तो दोनों टाइम p आया सक्सेस। सो दिस इज, आई नो देर इज स्टिल कंफ्यूजन, इफ इट इज देयर प्लीज आस्क। वन आफ्टर द अदर और इरा, 2 dice at once, one and the same thing. You are throwing 2 coins at once or one after the other, or one coin twice. Sample space remains same. So likewise, if you are throwing 2 dice one after the other, or one dice twice, or together, sample space remains the same. Zero, 1, and 2. 25/36, 10/36, 2/36, करेक्ट ना गाइस? हाँ, ये सब प्रोबेबिलिटीज का टोटल 1 भी रहना चाहिए। दैट मीन्स वी आर करेक्ट। ओके, दिस इज 1/36, राइट ना? So this is the end of discrete, and we will catch up in the next class for binomial and Poisson distribution. ठीक है? Copy this. 1 second. Those who are copying this initial part, please go ahead with this. 2 times, sorry, 0 times we get a 6, meaning what? In the first time we are getting a failure, second time we are getting a failure. Right, guys? One time we get a 6. So that 1 6 can occur in the first turn or in the second turn. No? दोनों टर्न में तो नहीं हो सकता है, दोनों टर्न में हुआ तो फिर 2 times we are getting 6, right? So first one failure, second one success, and vice versa. And 2 times we are getting the 6, दोनों टाइम 6 आया, right? क्वेश्चन गलत पूछा हम लोगों ने। 6 appears at least one का मतलब क्या है? 1 or 2। तो उसका आंसर, उसका प्रोबेबिलिटी रहता है, प्रोबेबिलिटी डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन नहीं रहेगा उसका।
Yeah, so I tried solving it the old way when you take a sample space and you do all the 1, 6, 2, 6. तो उसका 11/36 था।
करेक्ट। Okay, now just wait for 2 minutes everyone.